where the others are.
Ooh, that's coming up.
Wait.
Send the message, reply back with an email.
Yeah, kind of pull up the Intellect Horizon page.
Technical issues
Yeah, it's just
running
this one's really interesting.
PDF or
So much.
this side.
Where's my man?
Oh, yeah.
Guys, you're online on stage.
Okay.
Do we have instructions? They haven't given us any instructions.
This next. Hello.
Welcome to Cyber Clash. In a universe not bound by time or space, where ideas are the currency and innovation the compass, a challenge like no other awaits. Welcome to Cybernetica, the heart of the digital realm. A world where dreamers become warriors and warriors become legends. But all is not well in Cybernetica. The battle arena, once a symbol of unity and collaboration, now stands as a challenge. A test of skill, strategy, and spirit. The call has been sent out across the galaxies to the bravest, the brightest, the best, to come forth and prove their mettle, to navigate the treacherous terrains of the battle arena and claim the title of the ultimate hackmaster. From the farthest reaches of the cosmos, they have come. Teams bound by purpose, driven by passion, ready to face the unknown, to conquer the unconquerable. But this is not just a battle of bots. It's a symphony of minds, a dance of digits, a clash of codes. It's where hope meets challenge, where dreams take flight, and where legends are born. Welcome, warriors of the web, to the ultimate showdown. Welcome to Intellect Horizon's Cyber Clash. Let the games begin.
Okay, so it works.
I don't know. I guess that's close enough.
Sending a message.
Yeah.
I don't. Hey, do you have extra batteries?
Ska Julian.
Julie? Okay.
Do they take special ones?
Extra batteries? I don't know. Oh, not you.
Looks like some problems over there.
Yeah, are they anything on the chat?
Yeah.
See if you can exit full screen. Oh, there. No, no chat. We have
Try to see the differentiation between the border. If it doesn't. We just try to,
Yeah, we heard last.
You are in the show, so looks like pretty good.
Right. I figured there'd be others to join us to explain. There.
Hey guys,
Hello.
so me again. I think let's officially kick off your Cyber Clash event. I will play again the intro and then we can know what you guys are doing. My name is Bianca. I'm helping, organizing, and being the voice of the crisis community for today. Okay, so the video again, and then we're eager to hear what you have to share with us.
Welcome to Cyber Clash. In a universe not bound by time or space, where ideas are the currency and innovation the compass, a challenge like no other awaits. Welcome to Cybernetica, the heart of the digital realm. A world where dreamers become warriors and warriors become legends. But all is not well in Cybernetica. The battle arena, once a symbol of unity and collaboration, now stands as a challenge. A test of skill, strategy, and spirit. The call has been sent out across the galaxies to the bravest, the brightest, the best, to come forth and prove their mettle, to navigate the treacherous terrains of the battle arena and claim the title of the ultimate hackmaster. From the farthest reaches of the cosmos, they have come. Teams bound by purpose, driven by passion, ready to face the unknown, to conquer the unconquerable. But this is not just a battle of bots. It's a symphony of minds, a dance of digits, a clash of codes. It's where hope meets challenge, where dreams take flight, and where legends are born. Welcome, warriors of the web, to the ultimate showdown. Welcome to Intellect Horizon's Cyber Clash. Let the games begin.
Hi. So we watched the intro, and now we're excited to hear what you guys are doing and where you guys are and anything you want to share.
Okay, so here, we create the 4 teams, and each team is assembling robot car, and pretty much like almost all the robots are running now, and we are waiting for some competition requirements. So that is the kind of the status.
So as we wait for this, Dr. Young, would you go ahead and introduce yourself and Regent University to everyone who's watching this?
Okay.
And what your department does?
Okay. Yeah. So my name is Young Choi, professor of the Department of Engineering and Computer Science of Regent University, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. So I am very glad to join this kind of competition, Cyber Clash. We prepared for Cyber Clash very diligently. So I want to introduce each team. Yeah, hello, 4 teams, right? So Alpha team, kind of field commander. Would you introduce your team? Here. Then Beta team.
All right.
Beta team and the Gamma team.
Hello, my name is Kellen. I'm on the Alpha team. Currently, my team consists of Tristan, John, Jaden, and Wade. And we're currently working on our Pi car. So, thank you.
Beta team. Field commander.
Hello, I'm Faustino, and we're part of the beta team. And my teammates here are Elias and Jillian, and we are very excited about this cyber clash. So yeah, see you.
Hello, I'm Gabriel Ogburn with Team Gamma, and I'm with Jeffrey Zobich and Mark Tomlin.
Hi, we're with the Delta team. I'm Melissa, and we have Brandon, Connor, and Jacqueline on my team, and we're working on configuring our robot.
That's my field commander.
Thank you. That's all.
So, Dr. Young, does your department focus on security, cybersecurity?
Yes, our department is focusing on especially cyber security, and we were accredited by National Homeland Security and NSA. And recently, we pursued ABAC accreditation. And we have a good cyber security facility, as you can see on the screen, Cyber Range. Yeah.
Yeah, I can see the reflection back there. It looks cool there.
Okay. Yeah.
So have the team started assembling the things together?
Pardon?
Have the team started assembling?
Yes, the progress, I want to explain the progress. I received all the packages and we assembled the cars, and pretty much they did some test run. Although each team's progress is slightly different, I checked the schedule and somehow I found some up to the step robot assembly session. We did pretty much, and we are interested in coding and the strategy development step now. That is the progress.
That is impressive.
Okay.
So, I know Julian, if I'm saying her name right, has helped you with the organization. I think.
Yeah, just a moment.
Hello. Say that again.
Hey,
Hi.
thank you for assisting with this and
Yeah.
making this happen. So,
Sure.
Julian, would you like to introduce yourself to all the viewers?
Yeah, so my name is Julian Nickel here. I'm a sophomore at Regent University and the president of the National Cybersecurity Student Association. We've been putting on several events for the students to come and learn, do interactive experiences. And this is definitely helpful to help teach students how to use IoT devices and program them using real hands-on stuff instead of always being so virtual. So yeah, this has been fun.
Is the camera movable or is it?
Yeah, if you want to see our lab going on, there's, say your team names.
Delta.
What? What the heck? He just wants to be in our team. There's my team over there, Elias and Faustino. And then we've got Team Alpha.
So, Julian and Dr. Young, I'll let you take over the stage, talk about the event, keep giving the status update, and show the progress.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
I'll step off.
You want to keep going while I continue to help my team, or?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, so we hope to get into coding and the strategy development step. So would you guide us?
Sorry, I missed that.
Yeah. Okay, just a moment. I'll ask the students to focus on your presentation. Focus on the presentation. All of you, just focus on this presentation now. Yeah. Please go ahead.
What, Dr. Young, what do you need?
Oh, I just checked the schedule. Regent University Cyber Clash schedule. So according to schedule, starting from 50 minutes to 1 hour, 10 minutes, there is a topic called coding and strategy development. Hackmasters begin coding the AI algorithms for the robot. Field commanders provide real-time feedback on the robot's physical capabilities and limitations. The last one would be teams discuss and strategize their approach to navigating the battle arena and break.
So, have the programmers are programming, right?
Yes, yeah. Just we stick to your own kind of agenda. No problem.
No, we don't have any presentation. We just want you all to enjoy the event.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Thank you.
So we don't have any presentation. We don't have anything to sell here. It's Dr. B made sure that it's a no selling event.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
everyone is currently, they've built the robots. Here they are. So we've worked through the calibration and are currently trying to get them to go around a track that we've set up on tables for each team. And they're programming and working on that. But that's currently what we're doing. Here's the assembled pie car.
And how long did it take to assemble this?
Well, it's a lot longer than the time limit you guys gave us. But so we've been working on it for a couple days here, trying to get these assembled. And realistically, the only 3-hour period can only really be used for the programming because it took us to do 5 of them because the screws are so small. Yeah, about 5 to 6 hours. Yeah.
What were common mistakes which you encountered?
Well, the screws, as I said, strip out pretty easily. We had to go and source some additional cables, and they have these specialized batteries which were not included with the kits, so we had to go find those. But once we got all the materials set up, we were able to get them assembled, thanks to Brannon and Trenton on our teams. But yeah, it took some effort. Once we got them together, they can move pretty good.
So you already were driving them?
I'm sorry, say that again?
Were you already driving them? Or?
We're trying to get them to calibrate them to go around this track that we've set up.
Can you show us the track?
Is this wireless? Is there any way we can show the bring the camera over to one of the tables?
Yeah. Yeah. This one is auto limit.
One of the webcams? Do you have a source for one of those?
Yeah, if we can show the kind of test runs.
Yeah, do we need to run StreamYard on the local PC where these webcams are?
Yeah, so like to show the kind of the test runs, the details, this one is quite too far away, right? So if we can extend this one is limited, yeah.
If you want to show them that, I'd appreciate it so I can keep helping my team.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, let's see if we can get. Hi there. We're going to see if we can get some cameras closer to the.
Yeah, we want to walk with you guys.
All right. We're a little bit limited on this camera, so just a moment while we get the other camera going. One problem we're anticipating is where you chose to use black tables and the course is black, so there's little contrast for the cameras to see. We've got some white tape that we're going to go around the course with.
That's good, yeah. Don't forget to calibrate the sensor.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Let's see.
Perfect.
It's for TVs. Source select. Probably still handle with the left. Let's see. Either remote desktop into those machines or run StreamYard.
Follow the straight line.
We did have it running from where the camera's supposed to go. Is that what you're trying to do? Yeah. I mean, from the machine there, just so pretty easy, so we can see over the back of
Okay.
For this one, like for this game, you need to show you so they are just only like that way. So they want to see how many holes.
Oh, you're doing this?
Yes. So while we were waiting for to see the exciting
So
track,
I have
um,
we have been running full stream into just setting this up, hardly getting any time to talk about what's going on. And I have a lot of questions about this event, Cyberclash, because I have not been involved in any of the setup, any of the arrangement, except for just getting the kids out to Regent. Uh, and I remember, Bianca, a couple of days back, I saw this note on uh, our chat that you had to do some hardware fix to make sure the kits work. Would you like to talk about that a bit?
yeah, actually, like I came a little bit later into the office that day, and they were like setting up the dry run for the Cyber Clash, and they fixed the hardware, and then they were like, it wasn't working because the car was just like going in circles. Uh, so what do you do as like electrical engineer? You go on Reddit and read what other people problems, and then they basically said that the common mistake is that you build the engines in the wrong direction so that one goes in this direction, the other in this. And that's why we had like that phone around. So when we changed that, we fixed it real quick. But you know, we at first we basically checked all the wiring and the code if like the microcontroller is like active and responsive. And it took us quite a while to find the mistake. So it's always like that. But I think a good way forward, and I think everyone who did something in software knows what I mean, is just look somewhere on the internet if someone has experienced a similar problem and then steal their solution. Uh, yeah, no, but in general, our idea was to create a concept where people who are not very familiar with like coding or electrical engineering have the opportunity to gain like an insight and some like basic skills in those topics within just 2 hours. And we also wanted to create a concept where people can like learn and experience to be like in a team which is composed of a digital component and in-person one. So while you're learning how to code and how to do electrical engineering, you also have to learn how to work in a team because the other two things would have been too easy. Yeah, so I think this is like basically the idea behind it, and we've done the first run today in Kuala Lumpur, and this is basically I think second or third one. The day was long, I don't know. Yeah, and I think over there we have a peak for the racetrack.
A team working.
Yeah, and I think the idea is to like which team creates the bot with the code the fastest and drives the fastest and wins. Yeah.
So
And it's
how
actually quite funny. Oh, so
you were very much on ground there at ASB when Cyberclash there was happening. How how was the experience looking at all the teams working there? How many teams were there at ASB?
uh,
Four. There were 14.
4 teams? 4 teams.
Yeah, 4 teams
Someone
here.
said 4 teams. 5 teams, 4 teams, I don't know, something like that. But we are very lucky because it was a good coincidence. There was a Women in Tech Summit for like young, approaching, interested girls, women, you know. So
Yeah.
we went up there and just like got all of them and forced them to go into the basement and do some coding and building robots. So we were like very happy that we had like a high turn up or like say gender balance. So we are proud of that one, I guess. So it was very chaotic, very loud, very cool, but also very successful. Everyone got his car running, I think. We had like some problems with the code, which was usually, you know, you
That's the
forget
fun
one
part,
step.
right? Like, if everything works, it's not actually doing something new. It's when things break, when you know that you are doing something different than what everyone else till now has done.
Yeah, it was just always funny. They came and were like, "It doesn't work, fix it," and I'm like,
Yeah. They gave us the wrong link at first. I've got the one for you.
also pretty cool. I could see that people start to use ChatGPT to improve their codes and to optimize it. And this is like a secret trick how you can, without any coding knowledge, improve the code and make the car driving faster. So yeah,
Yeah, AI is changing the way we program, the way we communicate. Yesterday for my talk, uh, I actually mentioned in the talk that the talk was by me and AI, because most of it was recommendation from AI saying how AI should be built. And programming, yeah, these days, I think like most of my programming is generated by AI. We use our agents to generate most of the program and
yeah. I
fixing
think
too.
like the new questions more that you think about the architecture and the components. You need to have like still an understanding of how you build the code, but I think
You
you
need to
don't need to
understand.
know every small. Hmm?
You need to understand the architecture. You need to understand
Yeah.
design, but you don't need to worry about the code and the syntax anymore. Means anyhow, like for a long time, we used to joke that most of the programmers anyhow copy their code from Stack Overflow. So now GPT does that for you and organizes that for you in a way that you don't even need to edit it.
Yeah, I mean, right now, I remember like when I was studying, it was always like on the internet, if someone did this and then you copy and paste it, put it together, try to compile it, there's usually some small mistake, you fix it, right? And now I think you just save this step.
Oh, we have two more cameras live. I'm going to add them to the stage.
Nice.
That,
Okay, I think our work is done here, and people just
yes,
can
we can get off.
watch our teams competing in the big cyber clash.
It's okay. My input is
Beta team.
I use distraction.
When any team is ready to show your
Yeah, we're just taping down the paper when it goes across. Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna adjust it
4 and then 1.5.
Your thing is ready and
Center, you mute the audio. Yeah, see, so they have their own coming from there, their own coming from there, we got one here, and then one there. Right. Right. So this is one.
okay, they do the beat.
They have their own going from the machine there for gamma, alpha. Wait, we're missing.
And
one.
this one is covering this.
Yes. Yeah. Forward to be good. There's 1, 2,
3.
Oh, I see. There's 2 things here. Got it. Okay. Okay, so we need one more. Oh, we did do the white table. That's a white table. So I guess you guys are stuff.
Can we just go the camera onto the table?
Yeah.
Our meals are spinning off.
No, we're muted
They're spinning off. They're spinning off. One's done for.
I'm sorry, people on
And is there no way that
Oh, wasn't even on, that's fine.
it wasn't a different us? I think that's my chat up there. Yeah, that is.
106.
Now you can see is there's no way to interact with these individuals. You did a great job to show your expertise.
Yeah.
There's no way to interact.
Let me get the battery.
With the back wheel.
You did a great job.
It's not gonna be able to roll.
I don't know if I can make each individual, but change.
don't know. Voter going to change the criteria, voter. I mean.
Oh my god!
No,
Yikes!
That probably should have been over here before we started that.
It was going fast, though, way faster than I thought.
Oh my god.
But dude, Jeff, that was like 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Wait, let's time it. Ready? Somebody get the Jeff, here.
You said that.
Time it. Ready? Okay.
Did you?
Can you get the timer out?
Yeah, I got it.
Timer's out?
Oh, timer?
Yeah, just this now. 3.
No.
Okay.
You're signed out. I'll just use mine.
Okay. Yeah, just do like stop watch. I'll go over there.
Right?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. What do we have?
2.9.
Holy monkey!
We got a speedster.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That's why it's on the chair.
Because if it's on the chair, it shows the actual speed.
To see the colors, at least.
Nothing wrong, because it's.
That's why we're good to like that.
We're not able to.
The black road doesn't look very much different to the sensor. Yeah. Turn the wheels like every minute.
Does he have the test box?
There's tape over right here.
That's good.
I should have.
The battery's got on ours.
Sorry.
Guess we can take turns. Battery's ready to go. Just power.
Acted like a child. Exactly. Get over here. Oh, yeah, it's baby. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, if I just run that speed, let me run a different one and see if the wheels go through the same direction. Are they chargeable?
They are, but I don't have a charger for them.
Yeah, they're running opposite directions.
Is your battery set too?
But speed has something to do with it.
Well,
Yeah.
well, because you're listening, I believe still couldn't see you were looking out, right?
You can start that. I think
I think you're supposed to move it once. I'm sure.
Oh, there you go.
I'm sure.
We have the fuck again, it's the battery.
Sorry.
No.
How bad would it be if we had one? You guys ready over there? I don't think it'll.
We're, yeah.
Oh. I had that same issue.
It turned. Why did it turn right like that?
Battery's back.
Wait a minute, what were you saying?
Might as well try it.
There's a black line on top of the red line on top?
Yes.
Can you see if there's a battery plus bulbs?
I feel like that's weird.
Okay. Now we should have it.
I made a big screen.
Very good.
Would manually adjust this?
Yes. Everybody's working.
It is.
So when it sees not like.
Huh. Do we give it another go?
Straight to the wheels.
We might want to slow it down.
It's really fast.
You have a point where you can testing. We are not. Battery for a while.
Yeah, if certain team's performance is over, then you can.
Okay.
This is part of the the code is making it.
Yeah.
I don't need you to say it, I need you to contemplate that.
I went out and bought these myself.
Oh, wow.
I had to go to 2 different stores to find them.
They're non-standard. Wow. I don't want. Yeah, we need a hell of a lot of them.
Mark, you still have mini HD, Mark? Is that too big of a lot? You still have mini HD? Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
I think our. Oh, you guys using the mini HD box? No.
That's very slow.
Yeah, that's a little bit safer.
Looks like a screwdriver.
Do you have any sense of this stuff? Well, I think they kind of.
Let's see, Jeff, you're gonna put all the obstacles. Yeah, some big obstacles. Right now, we're not really.
Big obstacles.
Yeah, let's just see the obstacle.
Where do you need it? There could be one somewhere.
Yes.
Do you have
It's over there. I think it's that one. Yeah.
I was like, in reverse. This is a black bill, red becomes red bill, black.
Sorry?
So what when you put this engine, whatever engine you choose, we still
I don't know how, I can't have it to be run inside of the. Engine should be all the same, it's just because they're not ran left and right. It's not for. Either way.
But like if you change out one engine, and that engine is still running the same thing as the first version engine. So if you change the engine for the engine that was original in the other.
I can always. Wait, I got it.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
The one that is
Yeah. No, so right now our batteries, yeah, well, they get, we're using the ones with the yeah, you can't reverse, you know, start to say. Yeah. So I know the batteries are gonna get my first year to actually see what's the voltage of the batteries around this.
Well,
Yeah, it should.
I love it. I can further do
There's two HDMI. Yeah, like, I don't think the best time I like this was to look it up. We'll try this less out.
I have a question for the teams.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Do we want to go around and can we have every team tell what has been the most exciting and most challenging thing for the last
Hey, you saw
2
that?
days?
Yeah. Okay.
We're getting somewhere.
Would you say it again? Because it's quite noisy.
Oh, could we go around and have every team share what has been the most challenging and most exciting
Yeah,
thing for the
pretty much
last?
now they are ready, then we can start the game. Yeah, no problem. Within 5 minutes.
See if I can modify the code to make it a little faster.
It was less what it sounded like.
You need to recalibrate your filter.
Yeah, it was three phases. One was a drone composition. Yeah, it was. Yeah, we'll fix that. Yeah. There's a service for just testing out. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe they really don't want to contact.
Let's just give it a shot.
Pretty much. It's up.
I said that within 5 minutes we would be ready.
For competition?
Yeah, yes.
I don't know, it's still pretty early on, but.
And then 5. Yeah, there you go. See, that's cute.
Right now they are.
Right now they are. They're both at the same value.
Okay, see, that's-
It's default.
I think, no, I think we just.
Yeah, that's good.
We tested these, we test every single calibration, there was exception. Calibrated the individual wheels.
Why would it by default going in two different
I don't know,
directions?
it's fine. Okay, there you go. You caught it?
Just making sure we actually test it.
Now, should we try the crazy?
Yes, yeah, we need to try it now.
Put the camera on the table. Very close up.
Just that it's getting big. Right?
It's still turning.
In a sense, it's kind of a huge source of
We need like the rim stuff.
No.
There's this one too.
Oh, okay. It's fine. Okay, yeah. Probably not 45.
I think that's what.
When you plug that in.
Oh, we're sliding the tape onto the tape.
Well, iPhone. Yeah.
Oh.
I don't have an iPhone.
They stole it.
Put it around.
Where are those? Oh, okay.
I already have some over here.
Alright.
I'm sorry?
Oh, just on.
Well, this will work.
Sorry,
This is USB-C using. You also. They have like a office, so I was running that, so we can try it out. So we can try it.
We figure out how to like make it follow and still.
So what's the point of the extra week? Was it?
Yeah, it's for contrast, yeah. So we can actually see where it's.
It would actually be a service paper, yeah.
Well, should we take it?
Yeah, that's good.
It's going off the table. Okay, no, wait, it was going straight, because of the weight. Can you tell it sound again? Yeah,
I feel like something is will have to basically merge together. Maybe grading, grayscale, and blur. Okay, so.
yeah.
Maybe
Slowly just move it.
we need more power.
Okay, keep going. Okay, it should be good.
They were talking about it. They were talking about that at the beginning.
Or if we try power.
We're just a little worried about voltage or lines above 3.7 volts.
If we can make it go slower. Okay. You can go so fast. Yeah, that's possible. The issue is that every battery
Yeah. I don't know. We got it to work.
I wonder if we have to stop right before it. There was a note about
Yes, it is.
Okay, I'm gonna just.
It's
See if you can make it turn. I don't know. Yeah, our guy.
one of the wheels.
Oh, the blue ribbon's causing.
Okay.
Hey, let's get some scissors.
Some are similar to what I believe last time. It's the same size.
Yeah. That's the way forward.
Make sure we get this. Makes sense why they didn't last.
The documentation said this value should be 3,000.
Yeah.
Very strange that they just do those in the kits.
Yeah, it is very weird. I saw online on the same site, the exact same one with the batteries included. Ah, thank you. The exact same one with the batteries included on the kit site.
Not like the, it's like that works.
At least we keep these for good, that's the thing.
Yeah. All right, let's do it again.
We got the tablets out of this, we had the full functional Android tablets. That they are.
All right.
Change the speed. Yeah, I was gonna say
Are you making it slower?
that would have been used to. Make it slower, make it faster.
Okay.
Make it really slow until no, the script to host on there, it's missing a dependency. Well, it's not missing one, but
You know how we do our
it's asking for a specific version. I couldn't find it online, and a lot of people are using, so it's like, because it's like nighttime probably, so I don't know.
Yeah, we're just waiting on my kids to adjust it.
How are you guys doing over there? You guys are
Oh, wait, we're not gonna overside here. This is right on halfway. So then-
I'm wondering more.
I was worried right now. I was trying, but it's halfway.
Or there's like a.
Call it inflation. Problem is something that we got. There's no terminating.
Yeah.
I think for this show, I want, just like set parameters. So once it gets there. So, go down, get more batteries.
Fastest speed set. Ready. What were you saying? Hold on to your socks.
You'll do the trash, one thing at a time.
The straight line right here.
Careful. Yes. Yes. Let's go, full speed.
Got it?
Let's go. Oh, come on. Good job.
See, they did exactly.
We just copied Julian.
Oh, yeah. I guess we're, okay, better than last minute.
Yeah, they got full enough because it works.
Jeff.
So close.
That means introduce the officer kit.
No, it's.
Hold on. Stay in the place.
So you will explain so the demo.
Yeah, sorry. Explain, show the demo.
Yeah. You in charge of all of the design.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, let me get there. So you talk about the batteries. How far are you away from here? Okay, all right.
Oh, it is? Yeah. I think what's happening is when we get batteries made and runs, it should fly. So before it by default, it has like telling that.
Yeah.
Whether it's a default. Oh.
Wow.
Yeah, you're so close.
So in 5 minutes, we will start. So try to be ready. Each field commander will explain your team's activities, any concerns, comments, and
Can you slow it down just a tiny bit?
experiences.
So that, so we can make the turn easier, because I think it's running too fast.
So we will start in 5 minutes.
Actually, on second thought,
So-
it might be okay.
Have you guys a terminating
Getting
condition?
stuck on the end.
So that it ends.
Yeah, you know how to do that?
Just proceed or program.
Yeah, but so it will automatically, you know, like take it all the way across. Sees no black.
Well, yeah,
That's program. That's, if you're using Minecraft, that's the program.
That's really important.
And I went ahead and put it there, and then I like got it. And then
I just came in. Let's go.
Mark's always trying one. Can you end there real quick, Mark?
Oh, let me kill it.
I might have to make some adjustments.
You need a thinner line. Like if it's a really wide line, it won't work as well. I'm not sure why. Paper, yeah, right there.
It's carbon automatically. Yeah, I think it's something with the wheels.
Did you try it with the regular?
What?
Just copy and paste the code from documentation and then just try to. Really?
Because it has a line that it already.
Yeah.
So.
I think it's just, it seems like it's curving automatically like that. I don't see it. It's something with the wheels. Because it went straight.
Yeah.
Because you can always put it on ground if you go straight.
And there's some, what's curving, experimentation going through, try and try, you know, first pass and last pass.
I don't think it's a program.
Go exactly straight.
I don't know, I'm zeroing this. So, this is this is the program that we're just been using, it's just the Minecraft Plus that I just using this year. Then, why is this a zero position for?
It might actually not let us any instructions. Zero before. All the other.
Oh,
So could put on that is the computer just click the thing to be a turn while we wrote the so that might be where the real person is.
Less times less than hours of work until the time times 3 and less than 7 hours of everything else. Perfect, that should do it.
Yeah, because it's competition, we need to show.
Well, we're waiting on more batteries, all the batteries died. My dad's trying to get some more. As I said, I'm trying, the batteries died. My dad's trying to get some more. I'm sorry, I'm trying. Yeah, Mark, I think that's one.
Well, we usually do this, I just know the other students take this now. What?
Would you start? Because you are saying it's competitions.
Are we the first team to start?
Yes, the target is fantastic.
But we need to do one last edition. Yeah, like 2 minutes. Who finished first? ABC Delta or a lot?
If you want me to tell them why we can't start, I can tell them. Do you want me to tell them what's going on?
Guy, the robot on the track.
Yeah. What's your take,
Doing
Joe?
text what? Yeah.
We lost it.
We lost it.
What do you mean lost? I think both skates.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's just like a YouTube video clip I'm playing of people drifting.
Biggest issue.
Here, we're gonna do a test.
All right, hold on, let me line it up.
Ready? Line up.
Wait, just like 10 seconds.
Don't work. Modified script number 3. Let's go. All right. One team batteries of die. You can play by default if you just don't do anything. It's offsetting too much. Yeah, ours work too.
It's adjusting more this time.
Yeah, it is actually.
Terminating?
Okay, so that's.
So ready at least, right?
Did you hit Control C?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, so you need to have white all the way across, so it has
So,
full black.
change the commander.
No black at all.
See the commander, stay like I have done.
Yeah, so yeah, you don't see any black, the program should stop.
Put it on there again.
I would make it like this.
Video, this, I make it this.
I got it.
Oh, Jeff, why'd you take down that one spot?
Which spot?
The corner.
Yeah. When you're ready, I can start line reference and create no competition.
Yeah.
Hello, are you there?
Ready? Testing. That's like an offset. Oh, that's not good.
Rohit.
Hi.
Yeah. So we are pretty much ready, and 4 teams in turn will just present about their activities and show some demos. So, okay.
That's great.
Yeah, so
So
each team's field commander will explain about the team and the team members, then show their demos. Is it okay for you?
yes,
Okay.
let's do that. Which team goes first? Do we go in order, alpha, beta?
Okay. Which team first?
Does alpha team want to go first?
They have more than 10, get more than 10.
Oh, we go right here. Okay.
No,
Yeah, the video says.
oh, yeah.
Which one it is?
Hello.
Hello, we're Team Gamma. Mark, do you want to explain it? Do you want me to?
Yeah, sure. We basically had ChatGPT do everything.
Speak loud.
No, sorry. No, we. Hi. So we programmed the car to use the Python module so that it would have an IR sensor.
Just before you go into the details, would you like to introduce yourselves?
Of course, right. We forgot. Yeah, my name is Mark. This is
I'm Jeffrey Zovich. I'm Gabriel Ogburn.
yes, and together we are Team Gamma. And so we successfully used the IR component of the rover there to complete the course. And then we modified it a little bit, changed the offset values, and used ChatGPT to rewrite the program. And then we set it up, and that's what we're going to demonstrate. Okay.
So are you going to show it now?
Yes.
We're switching over here.
Is there a camera closer to that?
Team. I think there's a Team Gamma camera. It's not this one.
No.
It's
They don't have that as the active camera.
Oh, no, it's not.
This one.
Is that the one?
Okay, 3. One. Okay, guys, count it down together. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's quite fast. Come on. You go. Done. Yay! Thank you.
Would you like to tell a bit about what were the biggest challenges that you faced and what was the most exciting part of doing this?
Yes, sure. Gabe, would you like to say?
Sure. So for a little while we had trouble. We we had trouble getting the sensor to sense obstacles until we decided to cover the entire table in white, except for the track, and that helped the robot sense the track a lot easier. And what else?
Yeah. Some of the repositories that were not.
Wow.
We should move over here.
Yeah.
See you now, guys.
Oh.
Because your presentation is going to be towards the end.
Come on, Jeff. You gotta get in the picture.
Yeah, so another obstacle was getting the repositories to make sure we had all the right modules installed. That took a long time, especially since some of the repositories were dated. And so once we had fixed that, thanks to ChatGPT, we were able to complete the project.
Jeff? Another thing that we tried was we were using the object tracker and we laid out obstacles all around the track. We were trying to get it to track those obstacles, but it kept running off the course. So that's when we switched to the line tracker and laid out the course in white paper.
So, did you enjoy doing this?
No, yeah, we enjoyed it.
No, don't worry. We won't tell Dr. Choi and Dr. B.
Thank you.
It's our secret. No one else is listening except for the 1,000 people.
Oh, wow. Oh, no.
Yeah,
Well,
I'd say we enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So that was Team Gamma.
Yeah.
Which is the next team going live?
Okay, next team.
Next team.
Whoa. Hello, this is Julia Nickel. Got Elias and Costino with us here. So we were able to successfully get the car to go about 3/4 around the track. But the batteries here that we have, when we were sent the kits and assembled everything, no batteries were included. So I personally went out and spent considerable funds and bought a number of batteries. Unfortunately, their charge doesn't last very long. So by the time we were ready to go for the full test, they were dead. I have another 13 batteries en route that should be here shortly, so we can do a demo for you. Hopefully the Raspberry Pi is still functional and circuitry wasn't damaged or anything. But yeah, once we got it to go around, that was good. I'd say for next time for this type of event, needs a lot more planning way ahead of time to serve the students. So that way they have all the materials they need to successfully build and assemble and program the vehicles. Anything else to add, guys?
Well, I think it was a great experience. It's my first experience with Raspberry Pi. I think it was just an amazing experience. So I'm happy with being able to work with Raspberry Pi. So yeah.
Yes, no, it's very helpful to have Raspberry Pis, and we appreciate the equipment.
Robots are really cool.
Mhm.
Yeah. Cool. Nice.
So we will demo once we get the batteries. Thank you.
What was the biggest challenge here?
Lack of power.
Lack
And some of the assembly process, the screws provided, the screwdrivers were too pointy and they stripped the screws, so we had to use our own personal equipment to put it together. So that was a challenge. No cables were provided to connect them directly to our computers, so we had to go get our own cables. So that was also a bit of a challenge. But once we actually got it running, it was really fun, very entertaining, very good learning experience.
Well, this team gets special points because Julian has made this possible.
Hello, guys. So we got batteries that the other team used. So let's try and use these.
Okay.
Which camera should I move to?
Should be a team beta camera, right?
Should have overlooked this table and interview.
Can you go in front of that camera? And I will.
Give us a few minutes while we recalibrate it with the batteries.
which team is next team? Okay.
I don't think that camera is working. That shows the screen. Beta team camera shows Ben's screen.
The technician just stepped up. Yeah.
This is what I see on that camera.
Yeah, that is the one. Thank you for your patience. Sorry.
This is very much fun. This is exciting.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure everyone else on the team is cursing me
Everybody
right
is
now.
working so hard.
They have been working so hard, and I get to see all this fun stuff because everyone is tired now. They have been working non-stop for almost 24 hours.
Yeah.
Actually, Dr. Troy, we need a little bit more time. We need a little bit more time to. We just use their
We can see it. Yeah, we can see it, so no problem.
You can see it, okay?
Yeah.
So can we just do it?
Yeah.
We can see our table from the back.
Yes.
All right.
Which camera are we using?
Okay.
This one, the lower one on your screen.
The bottom one would be better, getting bigger. Yeah.
No, this doesn't seem the right one.
Yes, the bottom one. Currently, it's located at the bottom. Yes.
Okay. There you go.
Here you go. Here's our table. Still a little bit of things to work out. So we still have some things to work out. Stops.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's how we basically did similar programming to Mark and his team with Gamma.
Cool. See you. Have a great day.
Okay, thank you. Next team. At least they just made it operational. Team Alpha. Would you wait a few minutes, like 2-3 minutes, then make it ready, right?
Yes, definitely.
Thank you. A few minutes.
Do the same thing.
Ours is.
You want to switch back to the camera?
Yeah, ours is dying. Yes. Ours are dead.
Ours are, I know.
So theirs.
So that is easy now. Okay.
White tape is right there. Yeah.
You have the white tape.
You know.
Batteries, this thing is still this
I don't know if it's gonna work either.
Yes.
All right, it's ignoring the.
Yeah, introduce the team first.
I guess.
So team Alpha. Introduce.
4 minutes to get it working.
Hi, my name is Kellen. I'm the field commander of the Alpha team. And currently we're still working on our project, but we're going to get it to work. So we're moving in a good direction, but right now it's semi-functional, but with the lack of batteries, I think everybody's kind of struggling. The lack of power.
So are you waiting for the batteries right now?
No. So we have batteries that we tried. I'm not sure if you saw. We just kind of did a slight demo. I mean, we could do it again. Do you just want to run the script? We're still working out a bit of kinks as well because we would have probably been able to be done with it, but because of the lack of power with the batteries, kind of heightened our growth with this. But
So apart from the batteries, what has been the biggest challenge?
okay, besides the batteries, when we got all the Raspberry Pis and we got all of the parts, we weren't exactly sure what the Android tablets were for until we eventually found out we were supposed to use them for. The software with the Pis and the script as well has a few dependencies that aren't fully up to date. So whenever we try to run example scripts in the with a little Pi car, it's saying that it can't import a certain dependency. So there were issues there. And there, because of the lack of instructions and I guess clear vision and exactly what we were supposed to do with everything, it was kind of hard to, I guess, use all the different individual parts to kind of make this work. So some clear guidance would have been more appreciated on exactly what we needed to do, especially with the Raspberry Pis themselves. If we would have had kits like Cana kits or any kind of kits with like micro HDMI cables or anything else with the Raspberry Pis, it would have been more greatly appreciated. But I don't know. It just seems like all this was kind of thrown together and without any kind of guidance. So everybody's kind of been drowning in stuff. But besides the batteries and the different challenges, it was a very interesting learning experience.
I think that was the challenging part, right?
Yeah.
There has to be a challenging part in a challenge.
Yeah. Sure.
So where's the rest of your team?
We're trying to figure things out over here.
Okay.
You got Wade over here. You got Tristan over here.
Introduce yourself one by one.
I'm Tristan. Hi, my name is John. I'm Jaden over here.
My name is Wade.
Yeah, so we got the crew over here. So
you're the last team to go? Or
I think
there's
one
more team.
I believe, over
There's
here.
one more team.
Yeah.
Yeah, one more thing.
So thank you.
Time to show.
You want to do this now, or if we want to present? Either one.
Let's just do it.
Okay. Okay, that's
Wait, so why are we have to introduce ourselves now, or? So why are we? Oh.
Do we want to get the next team?
Finally, we got batteries.
Wait, they have batteries?
Arrived. So it's a good news story.
Batteries have arrived.
Yeah, so they got them. It's quite a good news.
Do we have to recalibrate it?
It will take a few minutes, Roy. Sorry for delay, and we got plenty of batteries. So they would be ready, so they can show better performance.
Happy to help. I am going to have to take off pretty soon. I have a family appointment that I have to be at, so I can't stay all the way to the end. I think I'm slightly new, so I decided out of my I just don't want to leave myself signed into the browser.
Sticking to this. No problem. Pretty much the demo is done, closing out.
And I'll probably remote in later and I can sign myself out of these other machines. Oh, this one is locked. Yeah. That's the other camera
Yeah, he wants to see.
So I'll just remote it afterwards. I can sign myself out of this.
Okay, well.
want to see our, can you get the battery?
Batteries. How's it going?
Hey, good to
Hey.
see you.
Yeah, this is the other camera. I guess they can.
Are you good about the run count?
I literally did. I literally did.
It's an experience. You're strong.
Yeah.
Yes. And chargers.
I think the ones that have are retarded. Is it good way?
Oh.
Yeah.
I put the same one.
So these batteries come out of the box.
Yes, I'm not sure if they're 100%, but yeah, they come out of the box charged.
Yeah.
So what's the box on that?
Like it really should not be that hard. Just all of the.
How's it going?
Just put that like better.
Ready to go live?
Yes, within 3 minutes. We're almost ready.
Yeah.
Where did you?
Did you save the file with the changes you made? My cards.
Well, that almost happened on us. I wouldn't say copy. Yeah, just like a little bit of. Yeah. We did in our own words.
Sure.
Free
man.
It's necessary.
Secret how to do that.
Yeah, that's what I.
It is true.
I think we're, yeah.
Set the goal once you're on track. Set the goal once you're on track.
Good job, Janine.
I'm living right.
Oh, that's just one of mine. And then wow. Our batteries died real quick. Oh, no. Yeah, I told them.
Yeah.
I want to see what it's information on.
Sorry, I smell fish. I know how to smell fish. I smell it right now. I know.
You good now, Mark?
Yes.
Thank
you, guys. Thank you.
I'll let you know, but we need to schedule a meeting at some point next week, figure out what we're doing for November and all the other stuff.
For the documents. And
Yeah, I'll text you.
thank you so much.
Likewise.
Oh, thanks, Mark.
Really great.
We won. Hey, great job, man. You carried. Yeah, just carried. Whatever. That chat. Go away. Subscription. I might have to. Dude. I might have to. After saying I do all of that. Yeah, this is absurd.
He's calling. Yeah. Hear me right now.
All right, say more.
Because you introduced the key.
Yes, I've already shown him a couple times over there. So that's where we've already.
Wow.
This is wild.
We've already gone
Negative
wild.
20, 20, and 0.
You can watch that.
Yeah. Negative 20 first value, the second value is 0. Yeah. Negative 20 is
Yeah, I'm gonna have to return them. So, but if you wanna grab like some extra.
Oh, my God.
Some of the people. What is it doing? Put it on your resume.
Yeah, we can try to, can we move their farm? Can we use your guys' table because the other one's not.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, no problem. Let's go. Valid use.
Let's just get it working
Right. Great. Oh, yeah, actually, you know. It's okay. It's been ordered Saturday.
Okay. So much is done in food, it's equipment, we are taking vendetta.
Team Beta is to show performance.
Hey, hey. Yeah. No, it's not. Okay, turn it off. We got it to the end. So, I'm happy. That's yay.
success. Yeah, Team Beta completed it again, and hopefully it's just we got batteries and thanks
Yeah, we
God,
got the
right?
batteries and it was able to successfully navigate the course. So, success. Thank you guys.
Awesome, awesome. Well, thank you everyone for being part of the very first Intellect Horizon Cyber Clash. I'm pretty sure we'll work through the issues and have many more of these much more complicated events. I'm really grateful for so much involvement. It was beyond what we had expected. Dr. Young, Julian, thank you for helping us organize all this. It wouldn't have happened without you. And I will close the event with a video.
From the boundless expanse of the digital universe, a new legend has emerged. A tale of tenacity, teamwork, and triumph. In the heart of Cybernetica, amidst the pulsating circuits and binary constellations, a team rose above the rest. They navigated the unknown, faced the insurmountable, and emerged as the beacon of hope and innovation. But remember, every dreamer here is a victor. For in the vast arena of challenges, it's not just about winning, but about the journey, the learnings, and the memories forged. As the digital stars of Cybernetica shine brighter, let them be a reminder of the spirit of collaboration, of the power of innovation, and of the limitless potential that lies within each one of us. Thank you, warriors of the web, for gracing the realms of Cybernetica with your brilliance. As you journey forth, may the tales of this epic showdown inspire galaxies far and wide. Until we meet again, keep dreaming, keep innovating, and keep soaring.